Hello traders, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. This is a daily Forex forecast for 7th and 8th of June 2023. I will be discussing these different currency pairs and I will be trying to find out different opportunities that we can trade and we can obviously make good profits out of those levels. So remember these levels, the ones that I'm going to discuss, try to practice them really well on the demo accounts. Once you have enough knowledge about the strategy, then I am sure you can go and give it a live try. This is compulsory. And if you want to be safe, you have to understand the strategy very well. So my friends, it was a very fantastic day today, yesterday, and this whole week since last week Monday. It is the best market situations and best trading situations. So first of all, I will be discussing pound US dollar, and not just discussing, but I will be finding out different opportunities that we may be trading tomorrow, 7th June 2023. And if the levels are not justified, they will still be valid till 8th and 9th of June, unless we get some break belows from the levels. So first thing first, let's have a look at this weekly time frame, and if I see, I have clearly got a sort of 38.2% retracement right here, which means that this is going to be a nice support with us. And even in the previous videos I have discussed that, so if this is the support with us right here and so many days, it is confirmed. Now the resistance level, and obviously I will be drawing that on the daily time frame. Just have a look at it right like this. A total range of around 331 pips of volume, I should say, or movement, I should say. This downward wave, I'm covering it in the weekly forex forecast, and is a very nice one. Then from here I took a buy trade and my analysis got bullish. My videos are there on my channel, so make sure to have a look at that. This 61.8% retracement worked really well, and all of those traders who took this trade must be in profit of 172 pips. Now obviously this intraday trades, I have discussed them live, they went very well, but it will not be part of this video today because market is open, and I have already took some intraday trades right here, so no point of discussing it since this is a daily forex forecast, and I will be trying to find out the levels that can help us in the London session and the New York session tomorrow on 7th June 2023. So we have got a nice reversal from the 61.8% retracement on the daily. It was supposed to go up, it did, and it was supposed to go down, and it did. Now what's next? There are different opportunities. The first one, and that is from the price from where the pound went up. First of all, it is showing me an up move towards 1.36302. But my friends, do we need to take this buy trade right here? Stay with me because I will be giving you my overall opinion at the end of the session. So this is a W pattern, plus also since we are trading above the support zone on the weekly, that's why I'm considering a buy trade opportunity, and seems like this is now ranging. So this buy opportunity, obviously we can intraday and daily trade it, because if I show you that on the H4, it will be clear enough to you that we have got a nice impulsive wave right here, and it was already discussed in the videos. So this is impulsive leg from here till here, and a drop till 61.8% retracement, and this is going to be the A, this is the B, this is the C, and that is going to be the D. Very risky situations. Make sure to follow the price action, and any close below 1.23737, then definitely the analysis may not be valid. In that situation I will be covering that later. Now if I show you this impulsive wave right here, it is clearly showing me a down move towards this. So it means this is now ranging, and this is one opportunity that the strategy is showing me. So near these levels, the buy trade obviously that got triggered from right here. Good profits. Today it fell down and is going back up. So let's see tomorrow. I will be further updating you about it. Overnight market is not going anywhere. At least it maybe in the Asian session it can retest 1.23948. So let's see what it gives us. And now let's have a look at the euro US dollar. Same is the situation. My previous analysis is right there, and on the daily time frame it is showing me a correction towards 1.09565, and price is consolidating right here. So maybe it will be a little bit of a bumpy ride, I should say. Overall, if we see this whole trend on the H4 right here, I'm holding a buy position. A long-term one, stop is below this, but obviously we need some expertise level to trade these levels, and I already have told you that trading is risky, and anyone who trades will be trading on at their own risk. Right here on the euro US dollar, one nice trade setup is active with an A to B, and this is C to D. This is 61.8% retracement, and I already have discussed it in my previous video. So currently showing me an up move towards 1.08147, and later maybe we can close above it this week, or let's see if we get it the next week. So this is the euro dollar, pound dollar, and now let's have a look at the gold US dollar. This is the weekly time frame. Price is near this support zone, and if I look at the weekly confirmations right here, it is clearly suggesting a downward move. The this candle, if we see, we have not got enough volume on this one as compared to the last candle right here. So if a break below occurs, definitely 1790 is the level for it. 1890, I mean to say, will be the level for it, or somewhere 1907, 1911, it can be the zone for it. Otherwise, if I see the daily time frame and find out some good opportunities, at this present moment there is one valid opportunity on the H4, and the candle will be closed in next 3 minutes. So let's see how it closes, but to me it seems like at this zone you can make some scalping trades. Otherwise, I want to stay a little bit of neutral on the gold US dollar, because I want to stay neutral about it, because if you see on the daily, there is a very huge volume to the sell side, and kind of like the market already took this top up there. So I want to stay a little bit neutral, and I have already told you that maybe 1911 is my level. I may be missing it for the long term, because the long term trades I executed from 2044 have already closed right here 1954 on most of my accounts. Now it has created this little sort of retest of the previous broken level. Let me clearly show you that. See, market consolidated right here for how many days? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and around 8 days market was consolidating right here. It then gave a break above and then a break below, and now seems like it is ranging at this particular zone. So not ranging, but I mean to say it got a rejection from the current zone right here, and it should be continuing back down till 1907.42. If I look at the gold US dollar in correlation with the pound dollar, well, yes, pound may be showing some sort of bearish attacks, but it's okay. We have a very less stop loss for this one, maybe 94 pips or 153 pips, and those who took it on the basis of my yesterday's daily forex forecast for 6th June, it will be further showing a 230 pips up move. So let's see where we exit that. Gold clearly showing sell signs, but for the day traders and the day opportunity is clearly showing me some bullish signs right here. If this H1 candle closes in next 1 minute as bullish, then most probably till tomorrow market may be approaching back towards since this is the daily time frame, so 1958, and if I count the number of pips, it will be around 178 pips. So that's a smaller number of profit. If I see the Aussie US dollar, let's delete everything. I have some positions as a long term and practice trades as well. On the weekly time frame, let's see if market took a rejection from 61.8% retracement. Approximately it did, so it must be going back towards uh, 0.68949. But remember, this particular trade setup will have a decent amount of stop loss. Those who want to take a buy from right here will have to set a 500 pips of stop loss on the weekly. So let's just have a look at the daily, but before that, mark the support level on the weekly time frame first. Here we go. Now move on to the daily time frame and find out where it is going. On the daily time frame, if we see, it is clearly approaching back down towards, as per the Fibonacci strategy, towards 0.65616, a very nice one. And most probably I will be leaving the position right here tomorrow. So a further drop of 100 pips is expected on the Aussie dollar US dollar. USD Swiss franc, it was showing a sell sign. Now a bullish pattern is going to form right here. So it means, let's see on the weekly what we have got there. On the weekly time frame, it is clearly going back up, and if I find the nearest Fibonacci, the next one, we have got it right here. Now what I will do is, definitely I will be switching to the daily time frame right here, and what I will do is, definitely I will be waiting for this level. Now since we have got this profit, I have discussed it earlier, 113 pips as a day trader it gave. Though I was ready to take a buy right here. So let's see, we have not got any break above, break below from this level. So let's have a look at it on the H4 now. And on the H4, if we see, there is a very nice trend line. And about this trend line, I have made a separate video, so make sure to check it out. On the H4 of the dollar Swiss franc, what it suggests me is a very nice bullish momentum, followed by 61.8% retracement, and obviously the correction will be right here. That happened. Then what was next? Obviously a correction of this one that happened. It's going back up. So yes, we can expect a move up towards 0.91621, and yes, towards 0.92060. But this breakout will be so much important for us. Dollar cat, we have also news for it, fundamental activity for it. I'm almost like bearish on this one, you will remember, and this one is a bit long term. I exited the position, but still the analysis is showing me a drop till 1.30881. If you can long term wait for it, definitely it will be giving you some nice profits. Otherwise, it bounced off from this support, so maybe there I need to add some more levels. Let's have a look at this. I will be adding this one, since this is very long term. This one took almost from 9th March 2023 till 17th April, almost 1 month. So let's see how much days it took right here. A lot of the time it took right here. So I will be pausing it for a moment and will be focusing on this support right here, 8, which no doubt will be broken. But let's have a look at it on the H4 and let's find out if there we can find any sort of opportunity. Well, for the buy, I cannot recommend it, but obviously if we can get a correction, this 61.8% retracement will be a new zone for sellers, and I will be marking it, and I might be trading it if price go up there. If I get a break below, then I will resume my trade and will be targeting 1.30881. Now let's have a look at the New Zealand US dollar. It has not yet been completed 61.8% retracement, but I'm waiting for it. And if I get it, definitely I will be taking a buy from it for a bit long term. Overall, it shows a downward wave, but definitely on the daily, if we see on the daily, it is clearly standing at a buy level. And at a buy level, I will be explaining it. Let's see this Fibonacci, because I'm a Fibonacci trader, and definitely when a Fibonacci reverses or price reverses from a certain Fibonacci, I take a buy trade. So for demo purposes, let's have a trade right here right now, so that later it will be easy for me to adjust it or follow this particular trade plan. The candle is not yet closed, so let's see what it gives me. Crude oil is trading above the support 66 and 63. It was my zone when it was trading right here on this top up there. I have discussed it from 92.20. Now I think it is going up, but there is a very less volume right here. Silver USD, it has to go till 24.772, and today we have got a nice rejection, which means that something else is going on. So I will be staying a little bit neutral about this particular uh, instrument, because it is almost like just 130 pips of range. If we get a bottom right here, then I may be looking for 223 pips of take profit. USDJPY, if we have a look at it, definitely I have a sell trade right here, and I might be closing it, but there is one thing, and if we see, it is clearly standing like, let me move it a little bit up. 61.8% retracement will be right near 142. This is also my level, and I have discussed it. This is one long-term level, long-term trade, I should say, and market has to take a reversal, but definitely I will be looking for that. I will be waiting for it. Just like yesterday, I have discussed this buy opportunity. It is up till 182 pips, and still it seems as if it is further going up to complete that 142 level, because dollar yen never leaves its levels unfilled. So see, it is clearly pointing up, and any buy trade towards 142 will be advised. Pound JPY, if we have a look at it, it's again at the 174.37 level. We got a drop from there. I have discussed it for day traders, 200 pips, and right here if we see, this time I think it took a support and it will be going further up, so let's stay neutral about it. So let's see. This was a daily forex forecast, and I will be following these levels from tomorrow. Tomorrow is Thursday, and Friday. So we have 2 days. Let's see what we get out of these trade setups. I'm sure at least we may get 5 to 600 pips of profit by the end of the week. Thank you so much everyone for watching the video. Make sure to leave your feedback, your likes, thumbs ups, and click the subscribe button if you like my content. I will see you next time. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.